In this video tutorial, I will provide you with instructions to remove the ransomware called Teza. Teza is the ransomware that actually belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner. It encrypts files and damages them considerably. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Teza ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. And so very soon users realize that something really bad has taken place with their data and that they cannot use their files anymore. Especially after restarting the system or turning the system on someday, users notice that they are no longer able to open their files. The files are inaccessible, and this Teza extension gets additionally appended to the file names. So it's impossible to use the data. This ransomware called Teza not only encrypts files, but it also reveals a certain ransom note. It indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good solution because this does not guarantee the file restoration. And if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money for nothing. So do not pay the ransom and don't waste your money. What I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. So use this green download button. Install this software and then start researching the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively detect and remove this Teza ransomware. This software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. In your case, most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then the scanning will begin. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature allows you to remove this ransomware and to protect the files in the future, but it does not decrypt files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these damaged files. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to Premium. You can always request for the free trial. And speaking about file recovery, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more facts about how to possibly restore your data.